A very good morning to all. Today's topic is immunoglobulins. Let's see what is immunoglobulins. Immune responses are those produced by specific proteins generalized by lymphocytes of B class, which is derived from bone marrow. Because these proteins exhibit immunologic functions and because they fold into a globular structure in the active site, they are also called immunoglobulins. These immunoglobulins are mainly five types: immunoglobulin G, immunoglobulin A, immunoglobulin M, immunoglobulin E, immunoglobulin D. In this role of different immunoglobulin classes, IgG protects the body fluids, IgA protects the body surfaces, IgM protects the blood stream, IgE mediates regionic hypersensitivity, IgD recognition molecule on the surface of B lymphocytes. These five types of immunoglobulins are present in human serum. Let's see about immunoglobulin G. This is the structure of immunoglobulin G. IgG is the major serum immunoglobulin. The normal serum concentration is about 8 to 16 mg per ml. Molecular weight is 1,50,000 or 7 S. Half-life is about 23 days. It is the only immunoglobulin that is transported through placenta and provides natural passive immunity to newborn. It is distributed equally between the intravascular and extravascular compartments. IgG appears late but persists for long period. It appears after the initial immune response, which is IgM in nature. It participates in precipitation, complement fixation, and neutralization of toxin and viruses. IgG binds to microorganisms and enhances the process of phagocytosis. Extracellular killing of target cells coated with IgG is due to recognition of Fc receptors of IgG by killer cells bearing the appropriate receptors. The catabolism of IgG is unique in that it depends on the serum IgG concentration. When level of IgG is raised, as myeloma or Kala Azar, the synthesis of IgG against the particular antigen is catabolized rapidly and may result in deficiency of that particular antibody. IgG antibody given for therapeutic purpose will be catabolized slowly. Passively administered IgG suppresses the homologous antibody synthesized by feedback mechanism. Based on this property, isoimmunization of women is done by administration of anti-RHD IgG during delivery. Four subclasses of IgG: IgG1, IgG2, IgG3, IgG4 have been recognized. These can be identified with specific anti-sera. Differences exist in the Fc fragment of heavy chains of various subclasses. In human serum, these subclasses are distributed: IgG1 65%, IgG2 23%, IgG3 8%, and IgG4 4%. Protective against those microorganisms which are active in the blood and tissues. This is the structure of immunoglobulin G. These are light chains, these are heavy chains. In this portion, antigen binding region called as antigen binding region. This is disulfide bond which is contact between two light chains, and heavy chain. These also disulfide bonds. This is Fc portion. Is IgA immunoglobulin. IgA is the second major serum immunoglobulin. The normal serum concentration is 0.6 to 4.2 mg per ml. Half-life is about 6 to 8 days. IgA occurs in two forms: serum IgA and secretory IgA. Serum IgA is a monomeric 7s molecules, while IgA found on mucosal surface and in secretions is a diameter formed by two monomer units joined together by a glycoprotein named as J chain. The J chain joins the two monomer units at their carboxy terminals. Secretory IgA and J chain are produced by plasma cells situated near the mucosal or glandular epithelium. J chains are also present in other polymeric immunoglobulins such as IgM. Secretory IgA contains another glycine-rich polypeptide called secretory piece of secretory component. The S-piece is not synthesized by lymphoid cells but by mucosal or glandular epithelial cells. It attaches to IgA molecules at their Fc portion during transport across the cells. The S-piece is delivered to protect IgA from denaturation by bacterial proteases in sites such as intestinal mucosa, which is rich in bacterial flora. IgA is the principal immunoglobulin present in secretions such as milk, saliva, tears, sweat, nasal fluids, colostrum, and in secretions of respiratory, intestinal, and genital synthesis. It protects the mucous membranes against microorganisms. It forms antibody paste on mucosa. IgA covers the microorganisms to inhibit their adherence to mucosal surfaces. IgA does not fix complement but can activate alternative complement pathway. IgA is mainly synthesized locally by plasma cells and little is derived from serum. Two subclasses IgA are known as IgA1, IgA2. IgA2 is predominant 60% in the secretions but constitutes a minor part of the serum IgA. IgA2 is devoid of interchain disulfide bonds between H and L chains. Next one is IgM. This is the structure of IgM. IgM is a pentamer consisting of 5 immunoglobulin subunits, one molecule of J chain, which joins the Fc region of basic subunits. Each H chain of IgM has 4 CH domains rather than 3 as seen in H chain of IgG molecule. It constitutes about 5 to 8% of total serum immunoglobulins. The normal level in serum is 0.5 to 2 mg per ml. Half-life is about 5 days. The heavy molecule 19S with a molecule weight is 9 lakhs to 1 crore, hence also called the millionaire molecule. IgM is mainly distributed intravascularly. It is the earliest synthesized immunoglobulin by fetus in about 20 weeks of age. It appears early in response to infection before IgG. IgM antibodies are short-lived and disappears earlier than IgG. Hence, it present in serum in adequate recent infection. It cannot cross the placenta. The valency of IgM is 10, which is observed on interactions with the small haptens only. It is very effective antibody in agglutination, complement fixation, immune hemolysis. It is more efficient than IgG in these reactions. The greater efficiency is due to the binding of complement to several Fc regions of pentameric IgM simultaneously. IgM provides protection against blood invasions by microorganisms. Its deficiency is often associated with septicemia. IgM mercaptoethanol selectively destroys IgM without affecting IgG antibodies. This method is utilized for the differential estimation of IgG-IgM antibodies. Two subclasses of IgM are described. These are differentiated by characteristic of H chains. Next one is immunoglobulin G. IgD resembles IgG structurally. IgD is present in concentration of 3 mg per 100 ml in serum. It is mostly intravascularly in distribution. Molecular weight is 1,80,000. Half-life is about 3 days. Like IgM, it is also present on the surface of unstimulated B lymphocytes in blood and acts as recognition receptors for antigens. Combination of cell membranes bound IgD with the corresponding antigen leads to specific stimulation of these B lymphocytes, either activation and cloning to form antibody or suppression. Two subclasses IgD1, IgD2 of IgD are known. Next one is immunoglobulin E. IgE is mainly produced in the lining of respiratory and intestinal tracts. Molecular weight is 1,90,000. Half-life is 2 to 3 days. It resembles IgG in structure. It is heat-labile. It has affinity for surface of tissue cells, particularly mast cells of the same species. IgE mediates type 1 hypersensitivity reaction. It is responsible for asthma, hay fever, eczema reactions. High level of IgE in serum is also seen in children with a high load of intestinal parasitism. It cannot cross the placenta barrier or fix the complement. IgE is responsible for anaphylactic type of reaction. It may play some unidentified role in defense against intestinal parasitic infections.